Officer Dave,
The state of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge David S. Robinson Jr. presiding. Court is now in session. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning. And Jacob Tom and Tom. Let's see what's happening. Mr. Tom, Mr. Khan. Good morning, gentlemen. All right, let's get started. We are starting with file number 22-197-210, EJH Construction versus Tony Herring. Date and time for pretrial. Your appearances, gentlemen.
Jacob Khan, P85-936 on behalf of plaintiff.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Taub, P48703 on behalf of the defendant, Tony Herring.
Okay, our discovery is closed. No motion for summary disposition is filed. So I take it you guys are settled.
We are very close. We
I used to
agreed
go out with
on.
her in high school. Almost there. Used to go out with her a lot. We settle or we don't. What's happening, gentlemen?
We're as we sit here right now, we're not settled, Your Honor.
All right. Then let's refer you over to the case evaluation. Let's spend some more of your money. Let's spend some more of your client's time. That's the way it works. Or you can settle the case. What do you think?
I think we're close. I know, I understand. I probably, dated the same woman. I think that if it got referred to case eval, we would get it settled.
Okay.
In the next week.
Well, then why don't I adjourn it then for 2 weeks? That way you don't have to start worrying about taking time to spend money.
I think that'll work.
I've got a conflict on the 23rd. I've got the 30th open.
Let me see here. Well, first of all, today being the 9th, 2 weeks, unless my math is wrong, the 30th works?
30th works. It's 3 weeks from today.
2 weeks from today's the 23rd.
Right.
And that ought to get it done, right?
That should get it done.
Does the 23rd work for everybody at 10 o'clock?
I can make it work, Your Honor.
And how about you, Mr. Khan?
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll adjourn today's pretrial to May 23rd at 10 o'clock. Hopefully, gentlemen, will have the matter settled. Otherwise, it's case evaluation time. And you can spend some more time and money on the file that's ultimately going to settle anyway.
Thank you,
Okay.
Your Honor.
May 23rd, gentlemen, 10 o'clock. Let's get it done.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks for coming in. I'll send out an order today.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. What's he doing here? Lewis versus Davis. Hello?
Good morning, Your Honor. Petros Panagius, P number
Why-
8099.
Why are you here today, sir?
Your Honor, I had a notice from the court for a pretrial hearing set
What-
for today.
On file.
Would you like the file name or the case number, Your Honor?
Give me the last 3 digits of the case number.
Okay, the last 3 digits are 446.
Yeah, that's not before me today. Give me your case number, the total case number.
Okay, it's 22-196
196
446.
446. All right, hang on, let me check on that for you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, counsel, I have good news and bad news. You're in the right courtroom. You're just a day early.
Your
10.
Honor, this has happened to me twice in your courtroom. I'm sorry, and I apologize, and
It's all
I
right, it's no
appreciate
big
your
deal.
help, but I think somebody in the scheduling room must not like me. I'm gonna go check that out. Thank you.
Yeah, May 10th, CET Pharmacy versus Citizens Insurance. Got you 10
That's
o'clock
correct.
tomorrow.
Okay, Your Honor. I'll see you
We'll see you
tomorrow.
then,
Thank you
sir.
very much. Appreciate your
All right,
help.
have a good day.
You too.
All right, so this is gonna be Wesley Neal and Takara Thomas. Mr. Neal,
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
good morning, ma'am. All right, I seem to have both sides on 23140-630. Michigan First Credit Union versus Takara Thomas. Could I have your appearances, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Wesley on behalf of Michigan First, P number 80307.
And your name, ma'am?
Good morning. My name is Takara Thomas.
All right, guys, this is our third pretrial. Where are we on this file?
I believe it's our second pretrial, Your Honor. One was adjourned initially.
Okay,
But-
that's right. We adjourned to March 14th to April 11th. So this is our second pretrial.
That's
Thank
correct, Your Honor. In any case, progress will be made, Your Honor. I am going to request one more adjournment. The defendant sent over insurance documents, which part of the claim is the defendant believes insurance documents should pay out part of the damages plaintiff is seeking. We have submitted those to the insurance provider as soon as we received them last week. I'm hoping to hear back this week as far as what their status is, and then hopefully have a resolution. Defendant and I have been in contact throughout the proceedings, and I think we're very close to getting this resolved.
All right. Let's give you a new date then, June 6th at 10 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
That works for me, Your Honor.
June 6th doesn't work for me, unfortunately.
June 5th?
Would that be a Monday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, yeah, you're right. Yes, okay, that'll work.
Mr. Neal?
That's
Yes.
fine with me, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, June 5th, then it is. At 10 o'clock,
Okay,
we will continue your written discovery. And hopefully we'll be in position to resolve the file at that point. If not, then, it's gonna be time to start looking at closing our written discovery.
okay.
Understood, Your Honor.
Okay, anything else we can accomplish today?
Not today, Your Honor. I appreciate the court's time. Thank you.
Taxpayers pay for my time, don't worry about it. Anything I can do for you, ma'am?
No, that's it. Thank
All right.
you.
Y'all have a good day, let's be safe out here.
Thank you.
You too.
Miss
Thank you.
Miss Thomas, I'll be in touch this week as soon as I get a response.
Okay, sounds great.
All right, thank you.
Appreciate
Thank
you
you.
coming in. We're off the record. Mr. Perry, good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
I do not have Mr. Davis as of yet. When I do, we can get started. Put you back in the waiting room.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Mini orchestra, capriccio for 10 instruments by Jockey Bear, string quartet, plus flute, oboe, clarinet, bassoon, trumpet, and harp. Richard Alden Clark and his Manhattan Chamber Orchestra members and listeners supported WRCJ FM in 81. Detroit, for WRCJ, provided by Tuesday Musicality Detroit, presenting the free classical concert at Correspondent Presbyterian Church on Mac Avenue. Tuesday, May 9th at 10:30 a.m. Here, young tenor Stephen Risen and Arias Bible Sark on the Seti and Handel. For more information, go to TuesdayMusicalDetroit.org. That's TuesdayMusicalDetroit.org. It's one of the most popular songs of the 1700s. Sort of a love song, actually kind of a love lost song. It's titled "In My Heart I No Longer Feel." But Beethoven was feeling it, and a set of famous variations by the rough at the end of it. This is the original song by Giovanni Paziello. Cecilia Bartoli sings with Georgie Fisher. Love Song by Giovanni Paziello, sung by Cecilia Bartoli, the pianist Georgie Fisher, in the collection called "If You Love Me," 18th century Italian song. Beethoven loved the song and made a famous set of variations for piano. And some of the early chamber music by the young Johannes Brahms. He's still in his 20s when he composed his second string sextet. That's up next on WRCJ FM.
We are on the record. This is file 22199854, Midland Credit Management versus Carlos Davis. We were last together on this file on April 12, 2023, at which time the parties and the court agreed to today's date, May 9th at 10 o'clock for our next pretrial. It's now after 10:30. Could I have your appearance?
Good morning, Judge. Andrew Perry, P69402 on behalf of plaintiff.
Mr. Perry, the plaintiff has appeared. The defendant has failed to appear despite agreeing to this date and time for pretrial, and despite the court sending out written notice of that pretrial the last time we were together. Having failed to appear, no good cause of that failure having been shown, the default of the defendant is hereby entered. We'll send that order on out to you today.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
Sir, have a great day. Be safe.
Thank you. You too.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, good morning.
What is your name?
John Kane.
Mr. Kane, why are you here?
I have a court date today
With whom, sir?
with you,
What time was your court date, sir?
11 o'clock.
Then you're a little bit early. You want to
Yes,
wait?
sir.
Want me to put you back in the waiting room or you want to come back?
You can put me, I'm gonna wait. You can put me in the whatever you, however you do it, Your Honor.
Okay, if you want to, because we won't be back till 11 o'clock. So I'll put you in the
Okay.
waiting room.
I was just making sure I was here on time.
Yeah, you're here early. So I'll put you in the
Okay.
waiting room and I'll come and get you 11 o'clock.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Find you in the waiting room. We'll see you then, sir. All right, Mr. Kane is here. That's good. So this is here.
Music of the 28-year-old Rose, he's still a decade and a half from composing his first symphony, but that's his second string sextet. Early chamber music by Brahms from the Leipzig String Quartet and Friends, and this was supported by the RCJF. Stick around, coming up in our next hour. Some free tickets I'm going to be giving away today. Ticket Tuesday, I think we're really going to like it, so keep listening for a chance to win coming up later in the 11 o'clock hour. I think you're going to probably like the weather forecast too. Low 70s next couple days. About 22 Celsius are afternoon temperature, and also sunny skies here in southeast Michigan and southern Ontario. 90.9 FM Detroit.
Support is provided by Chamber Music Detroit, delighting Southeast Michigan audiences with classical music in its most intimate and inviting form. Join us on Saturday, May 20th at the Sullivan Performing Arts Center as the Juilliard String Quartet and pianist Michelle Pan perform Robert Schumann's beloved piano quartet live in concert bar 79th Century. Tickets are available now at 313-335-3300 or online at chambermusicdetroit.org.
Hi, WRCJ Broadcast.
Try something like this. Conductor and music director, Yara Beanie takes a moment to express his feelings with the audience. In the Roman contingent, the melody becomes slowly built. This is because of when you listen to this kind of music, you are able to feel a lot of emotions. When you feel an emotion there, we are feeling the same emotion here on stage. This is one of the beautiful things about live music. And I'm so happy to share emotions with all of you. Thanks to your support, WRCJ, we can keep bringing you live music with plenty of emotion. So please, pay back, 266-909-9725. Visit WRCJ.org. And
Morning, Council.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm well. How about yourself?
I'm doing well as well.
Mr. Kane has been here. Actually, he's been here since 10:30. I don't have your opponent yet. Want me to put you guys in the chat room?
I wouldn't mind. I was just gonna call him afterwards.
Okay, well, I'll put it, well, what I plan to do is when I get everybody here, I was gonna let him in and simply mute him because he
Oh,
had.
okay. Yeah, perfect. If you don't mind letting me meet with him for like 3 minutes, that'll work.
Let me go ahead and get that done right now for you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, breakout rooms. Oh, I have to admit Mr. Kane. Mr. 5. Then we'll admit Mr. Kane. I put him in room 5. Hit join, Mr. Kane. Ms. Madden, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Good.
I just put Mr. Riddell and his client into a breakout room. So they should be out in a couple more minutes and then we can get started, okay?
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
I'm getting notified. Mr. Riddell,
Yes, Your Honor.
I have Ms. Madden. And we're waiting for your client to come back.
Yeah,
See him.
Recording in progress.
you might need to pull him out of there.
All right, let me go see.
Okay.
Breakout rooms.
Good morning, Peggy. How are you?
Morning, Sean. I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good.
Good.
Okay, I'm moving him to the main session now.
Judge, I did file an amended counterclaim. I don't know if it made it to the court. I filed it last Thursday.
It's okay. I don't think it got here as of yet, but that's not new. All right, I have Mr. Kane. Let's get started on our file. I do have your amended counterclaim, excuse me. We are on the record. This is file number 22-193860. The file is entitled John Kane versus Elizabeth Loss. Then we have a counterclaim against Mr. Kane. Could I have your respective appearances?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Pardon me. Peggy Madden, P39308 on behalf of the defendant counter plaintiff.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sean Riddell, P81302 on behalf of plaintiff counter defendant John Kane.
The record should also reflect that John Kane is present, but because he is represented by counsel, I have muted him. So, counsel, where are we on this thing?
At this point, Your Honor, Ms. Madden and I have exchanged some emails talking about, of course, resolution and then amended complaints. I would imagine that at the next pretrial,
Mr. Riddell is frozen on me.
to also notice up a hearing
right.
on a motion. I think the primary better.
Mr.
Is this
Riddell?
any better?
Yeah, let's start again from, I would imagine at the next pretrial. That's when you
Sure.
froze.
Yes, Your Honor. At the next pretrial, I'd like to notice up a hearing on a motion for leave to amend our complaint. We're both trying to clarify our complaints and counterclaims here. That's the main update we have, I believe.
Ms. Madden, do you have any objection to his amending his complaint?
Your Honor, typically I wouldn't, but, given the fact that this is the second filing by Mr. Kane on the same issues, I've been dealing with this for a year and a half. So I'm not inclined to extend the courtesy, although I'd like to Mr. Riddell, but I don't feel it. I feel like a motion would be appropriate.
Okay, well, let's do this then. I'm going to give you a return date of June 6th. Does that work for everybody at 11 o'clock?
Your Honor, is it possible we could do a day later in that week? I have a meeting the 5th and the 6th. I guess not.
June 6th. June 7th work for you, Ms. Madden?
Yes, Your Honor, if we can make it a little later in the morning, I do have a docket at 25th District. I do on Monday and Wednesday, but
At what time?
could we do 11:30?
Yeah, we could do that. This one time, because here's the problem. Wednesday is my objection to GARM day, as well as my show causes and all those things. But let's do that this one occasion. June 7th at 11:30. That work?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
June 7th, 23 at 11:30 a.m. We'll have a pretrial / motion. Your written
Perfect.
discovery remains open. And P counsel, to file motion to amend complaint. All right, council, you should prepare and serve your motion and notices for hearing on the June 11:30 date and time. We'll
Yes, Your
continue our discovery. What else can we do today?
The only other thing I'd like to add for the record is I brought it up a few other times and Mr. Kane referenced attachments to his complaint that was served on my client. But unfortunately, the complaint was not legible, but Mr. Riddell has forwarded a legible complaint copy to me, but I still don't have whatever the attachment was.
Mr. Riddell?
And- Yes, Your Honor. My plan is to talk with Mr. Kane today and see if we can, if I can get a hold of those attachments from him. And then I can forward them on to Ms. Madden.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We need to play nice here, people. I mean, I understand that this is a frustrating situation, but ultimately this is a business dispute that needs to get resolved. And since I have you on TV rather than in person, I can't reach across the bench and bang anybody's head. So there are some, disadvantages to the remote forum. So let's get together June 7th. Let's get Mr. Riddell, your motion filed and served, calendared for that date and time. Let's get Ms. Madden those attachments from the original complaint. Anything else we can do today?
Not on my behalf, Your Honor, my client's behalf. Thank you.
Nothing from us, Your Honor.
June 7th at 11:30. Y'all take care and let's be safe.
Thank
Thank
you.
you
Thanks for
too.
coming in. That's gonna, I have one more matter. No, I don't. On case number 22-193-860, I'm sorry, 22-197-983, we have received a consent judgment, so we'll just enter that judgment. There'll be no appearance